I just come back outside after an appointment and I was planning on going and doing some grocery shopping, but the sun has come out and it stopped raining. So I'm going to go home, check on the chickens, give them some nice warm porridge to help them warm up, and play in my garden in this short break. Hopefully it stays like this for a little while. It's been cold and rainy for days and days, and the sun has come out. So I'm just coming up to give the chickens some nice warm porridge. Girls, how are you doing? It's been a bit wet and cold, hasn't it? I've made you some nice warm porridge. What do you think of that? Warm up your tummies. Do you girls feel like laying any eggs yet? I really would love some eggs. Pop it on there. It's probably the first warm meal you girls have had, hey? It's a bit strange. Not quite sure what to do with it. Yeah. This is what we've been having for brekkie. Yeah, do you think that warm porridge will help you lay some eggs? And feathers have got a beautiful colour to them, girls. Yes, they do. Looking good little ladies. All right, how's the garden survived? It's a good job that I've got these bits of spinach underneath some protection. Ooh, that's our first little pea flower coming along. It's exciting. Peas are having a hard time growing up the trellis with all this wind and cold. The chilies are still producing. It's a bit of a surprise. Are you having a sniff of the lemongrass pirate? Does it smell good? Yes, it does. My watering cans have been blown away. All this rain, the worm hub's probably full, so it'll be a good time to harvest some worm tea. So I don't want it just sitting there full of water. It can slow down the worms, and also if we get too much water in this reservoir, it can become a little bit of a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Just need to be aware of that. I will put on my other bucket that just ties on. So if I just tie this one over here. This is my little hack. That's why this little watering can is so good. A piece of wire. And just turn it on. And I'll leave that to do its thing while I go and have my lunch. Hey girls, we might have some lunch out in the sunshine today. What do you think? Yeah. Hello, you ready for a pat? No, no one's ready for a pat yet. Still timid.